Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot ramen soup. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. I have it set on saute normal or saute medium. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of sesame seed oil. I'm also going to add in 3 teaspoons of diced up garlic. If you use fresh, use 3 cloves. And I'm going to add in a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger. I'm going to allow this to cook in here for just a minute. Okay, now that I allowed my ginger and my garlic to cook in there for a minute, I turn my heat off. I'm going to add in 8 cups of water. And there's 6 cups. There's 2 more. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Let me get my pressure cooker set back on so it can start warming up. We're going to go up to pressure. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 30 minutes on high pressure. Now I'm going to add into that a tablespoon of kosher salt. You can use any kind of salt you like, guys. I'm just using kosher. Some black pepper. We're going to go for about a half a teaspoon. I'm also going to add in an 8-ounce container of sliced mushrooms. So when Eric eats, I'm going to have to make sure I don't get any mushrooms in his bowl of soup. If you guys aren't familiar with the story, Eric's my oldest son. He does not like mushrooms. If he knows there's mushrooms in this, he will not eat it, so I have to be sneaky. And I'm going to add in a 6-pound chicken that I took the giblets out and I rinsed it. We're going to get that down in there. You can see, guys, this bad boy's pretty full. But I don't think we're up to the full line. Let me look around here, guys. You want to be careful of that. I think we're in good shape. Now I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to get my lid on here, and I'm going to set this. I have it set to pressure cook for 30 minutes. When my 30 minutes up, we're going to do a quick release of the pressure. All right, guys. I pulled my chicken out, and I set this on saute high, and it came to a boil. Now I have an 8-ounce package of ramen noodles. And you can buy these. I bought all the ingredients for this right at Walmart. If you can't find ramen noodles, just get the little cup of noodles or the little blocks of noodles, the instant ones, and just use them. But you'd only cook them for the time it says on the package. These I'm going to cook for 7 minutes because they're not quite as instant. So I'm going to cook these for 7 minutes. While they're cooking, I'm going to shred my chicken up, and then we'll get that back in the pot. Alright, my noodles are done cooking. I'd say since I add a little more salt and pepper to it. Now I'm going to add a cup of shredded spinach and shredded carrots. Put them right down in there. I'm going to give this a stir. And I'm going to allow this to sit with the heat off just for a minute to soften up that spinach and those carrots a little bit. And I'll go ahead and fix up a bowl and I'll bring you guys back. Guys, I went ahead and garnished this with a little bit of sesame seed. Just a little extra texture and a little bit of contrast. Get her to try this.
Ricky!
What, Dexter? I'm eating pork noodle soup. Can't let Dexter know it's chicken, guys. He gets offended easily. I'm eating this with a fork because noodles are long. Noodles are nice and tender. Try some of the chicken. Super moist and tender. I tried that broth. That's really delicious. Nothing beats a good homemade chicken broth. Mushrooms are tender but not overcooked. Alright, there you have it. Instant Pot ramen soup. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see ya.